It's welcome back to ABS Tech channel. Hope you're fine now. In this video, I'm going to show you the what's price changes in Steeder XLM in the last 1 hour, 2 hour. So before starting this video, kindly click the subscribe button and hit my 3k subscriber. My wish to hit 3k subscriber. Please help me and support me. I need your support. Kindly click the subscribe button. Now let's see what changes occur in a Steeder XLM in the previous last 2 hour. As you can see now on the screen, first of all, we look the chart of Steeder XLM. As you can see, it is the live price prediction. The live price changes occurs in a Steeder XLM in the last 2 hour. As you can see here, absolutely good period for all Steeder XLM holders because they are jumping upward, as you can see here. So it's absolutely good news for all Steeder XLM holders. Congratulations to all Steeder XLM holders. Now if we see the changes of Steeder XLM in a cryptocurrency market, so the change is absolutely positive. As you can see here, positive 1.46% change occur in a Steeder XLM and the last previous 1 hour. The high price of Steeder XLM in the previous last 1 hour period as $0.404641 is the high price of Steeder XLM in a previous last 2 hours. Sorry. Now let's check it out. The last 2 hour price prediction, the last hour, what's the changes occur in the Steeder XLM in the previous last 1 hour. As you can see on the screen, first of all, we look the chart analysis of Steeder XLM. So the chart tell us that the Steeder XLM goes upward in this last period. As you can see here, they are going up. So it's a good period of Steeder XLM. If you want to buy a Steeder XLM, so it's a good opportunity to buy a Steeder XLM and make a good money with this cryptocurrency markets. As you can see here, the change is in the last 1 hour is also a positive. So absolutely good time to buy a Steeder XLM. What's your opinion? Please share in the comment box. Is it a good time to buy a Steeder XLM or a good time to sell a Steeder XLM? Please share in your opinion in the comment box. If we see the changes of Steeder XLM in the last 1 hour, so absolutely good changes in the Steeder XLM. Positive 0.49% change occur in the Steeder XLM in the previous last 1 hour. If we see the high price of Steeder XLM in the previous last 1 hour, so it's also a good price of Steeder XLM in the previous last 1 hour. As you can see here, $0.404641 is the high price of Steeder XLM in the last 1 hour. So that is the live price changes occur in the Steeder XLM, and this time you are watching only on only ABS Tech channel. The price changes of the last 1 hour and 2 hour you are watching on ABS Tech channel. So please don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more latest news and update about cryptocurrency market, and also I update you about Steeder XLM cryptocurrency.